family. My name is Trinisha and I am the CEO of TCTS Autobody, which is based in Stratham Park, Randburg. We are a triple BEE Black female-owned business. Our mission is simple: to provide exceptional service while maintaining a sharp focus on quality, integrity, and customer satisfaction. We strive to create lasting relationships with our clients by fostering transparency, respect, and passion for excellence in everything we do. Our services include panel beating, spray painting, mechanical work, chassis straightening, and hail damage. What sets us apart is our genuine care for our clients and our commitment to going the extra mile as an SME. To ensure the best experience, we offer 24/7 roadside assistance, mobile quotes, and digital quoting with a 60-minute turnaround time by using reliable systems like TMS and Autodesk. We deeply value teamwork, innovation, and safety, and most importantly, a customer-focused approach. As a female-owned business, I'm particularly passionate about upskilling the underprivileged and empowering women in the automotive sector, especially in my own shop. I'm exceptionally grateful for the opportunity to collaborate with organizations such as M40, powered by MFC, and AVO by Netbank, WUMSA, and Talk the Talk, powered by Sariti Solutions, as we share common goals in uplifting women in the automotive sector. We are proud to be a business that cares about both people and service. Thank you for trusting us with your needs.
Good day everybody and welcome to TCTS Autobody. My name is Michael. I'm the Customer Relations as well as Workshop Manager for the panel shop, and I'll be taking you on a tour today of how we conduct our work and different workspaces. Let's go. So upon entering the TCTS building, you will see your vehicle quotation as well as inspection bay. What happens in these bays is that a client will drive in, they'll do their quotation over here, and then also upon the vehicle leaving our premises, we will then inspect the final quality control in this area. This is one of the vehicles that has come in for repair. This will move on to the panel beating process of the rest of its repair journey. So come and let's go ahead and see where the magic happens. At TCTS Autobody, we don't only focus on the insurance approved work, we also have major fleet customers like Gauteng EMS, City of Joburg, as well as the South African Police Service. As you can see, these are some of the vehicles that we have in the shop right now, and these vehicles are due for repair, and this will be happening quite soon. TCTS Autobody is an approved major structural repairer, which means that we do not compromise on the quality of the repair, and we ensure that the vehicle is repaired according to manufacturer specification and standards. By utilizing industry standard tools and equipment, you can be rest assured that your vehicle will be repaired back to its pre-accident condition. This is our chassis straightening machine, and basically what happens on this machine is that we will drive a vehicle up onto here with chassis damage and ensure that when pulling the chassis in order to make sure that it is square, this is the tool and equipment that will be used. Our TCTS values and the main core focus of this business is no compromises, which means we do not compromise on the quality of your paint that goes onto your vehicle. This paint is approved to be used on both in warranty and out of warranty vehicles, on both insured and non-insured vehicles as well. So by using the Seconds base that we do use for our base coats as well as our clear coats, you can be rest assured that your paint work will be looking OEM standard. Welcome to the spray booth. This is where your vehicle undergoes the second to last process of the vehicle repair stage. What technically happens in this area of business is that we will paint the vehicle according to OEM paint codes, as well as do custom work or custom spray jobs for clients. At TCTS Autobody, we don't only focus on mechanical repair work. We also have a section of work which we call our mechanical bay, And inside of a mechanical bay or mechanical area, we do minor services, engine overhauls, suspension components, exhaust systems, as well as custom work or fabrication to engine and systems.